What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2019 Volkswagen Jetta, which looks pretty good here. It's a larger car, it's 1 inch wider, it's 2 inches longer, and the wheelbase is 1.3 inches longer, so it gives you more rear seat room, overall more spacious vehicle. And in the back there, it really looks like a miniature Audi, very similar to the A4 with those taillights, and a lot of Audi influences, I think, with the design here, but it looks really nice, really good improvement, I think. So yeah, it's definitely got some uniqueness to it that gives it a little bit of a Volkswagen flair. But overall, it's really good. It's going to all come standard with a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Does 148 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. It's going to be starting, I think, about $100 cheaper than the outgoing model. So I think it's like $18,545 or so. And obviously this one has options, so this one is not that cheap. But you see the digital gauge cluster you get here in this trim, the large, I think it's an 8-inch touchscreen they have there. Really nice unit. Same one as the Atlas that I reviewed. Nice little restyle there for everything where it's kind of angled towards the driver there. So yeah, that very impressive improvement there for the all-new 2019 Jetta. And also at the Volkswagen stand, they showed off the new Volkswagen Passat GT. Now this is going to be a limited production model. They didn't say exactly how limited, but basically it's just the same VR6 Passat, but it's going to have obviously the GTI inspired, more aggressive styling. It also has a sport tune suspension, a couple unique touches to it, and that's about it. So nothing too radical or different over a normal Passat, but does look very good still. I like the two-tone leatherette that you get there, but it really does show how behind, after just looking at the brand new Jetta, how behind the Passat is and how badly it needs an update as well. You can see that smaller infotainment system. This one doesn't even have a color center screen, which really is a stark contrast from that high-tech look in the Jetta. So hopefully they'll update the Passat here soon. But anyway, very cool that they're offering this Passat GT, for those that do want something a little bit sportier in the Passat size. But yeah, you see the little deck lid spoiler and everything else. But yeah, so that's the two reveals that Volkswagen had here for the 2018 North American International Auto Show. Let me know your thoughts about everything in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.